before you take your seat, kindly pick up pieces of papers under your tables and arrange your chairs properly. Okay, so now let's begin checking attendance. Class Bidel, who is absent for today?
No one is absent, ma'am.
Very good. Everyone is here. Everybody is present. Let's give a round of applause for ourselves. All right, class. Who can tell me what is our lesson last meeting? Anyone? Okay, Miss Huyuhoy.
Our last lesson yesterday was all about arithmetic and
Very good. It is arithmetic sequence. Now, what is arithmetic sequence? Anyone? Miss Mayang.
arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which is term after the first is obtained by adding a constant date to the preceding term.
That's right. Can we give her a round of applause? Seems that you already understand our lesson last meeting, which is arithmetic sequence. Are all of you now ready for a new topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so before we start our proper lesson, let's have first a game. Okay, this game is called Speed Test. This is to enhance your skill in multiplication. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay, so this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. So there will be 5 rounds. Each round, there will be one representative each group. You need to answer it very quick in order to get the points. Okay, understand? You will just going to raise your right hand if you will going to answer. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's begin. Okay, Mr. Felizardo, what is the answer? 6 times 7.
42.
Very good, 42. Group 1 get the points. Next. Okay, Miss Mudal.
44.
Very good, 4 times 11 is 44. Is Miss Yuhoy.
5 times 6 is equal to 30.
Okay, very good, 5 times 6 equals to 30. So group 2 got 2 points and group 1 got 1 point. Hapol-hapol. Next is Miss Mayang.
3 times 8 equals 24.
Very good, 24. 2 points, 2 points. The last round. Ta-da! Last round. Okay, Miss Magbian.
8 times 6 equals 48.
Very good. So, group 1 get the highest score and they are the winner. Congratulations. Please give them a round of applause. So, we have tackled last meeting, we have tackled arithmetic sequence last meeting. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in relation with the activity we have done today, what do you think? What comes in your mind? What will be our topic for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Miss Hilda.
I think geometric sequence.
Okay, so our topic for today is all about
Geometric sequence.
Okay, our topic today is about geometric sequence. Okay. Everyone please read our objectives for today. Okay.
At the end of lesson, students will be able to A. Evaluate a geometric sequence. B. Determine the nth term of a geometric sequence. And C. Use the formula of geometric sequence to practice problems.
Okay, take your seat. So, at the end of this lesson, you are expected to illustrate a geometric sequence, determine the nth term of a geometric sequence, and use the formula for geometric sequence to practice problems. So, who wants to read what is geometric sequence? Miss Mudal, can you read?
Geometric sequence. It is a sequence where each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant called the common ratio.
Okay, so in arithmetic sequence, what we have done, we add the common difference to get the next term. Now, in this lesson, we will going to multiply the we are going to multiply the preceding terms by a non-zero constant called common ratio. In arithmetic sequence, we call it common difference. Here, in geometric sequence, we call it common ratio. So here, the sequence 3, 12, 48, 192, 768 is called
geometric sequence.
so we can get this term by multiplying this term to the common ratios. So now, how can we get the common ratio?
Well, the common ratio can be determined by dividing any terms in the sequence by the term that precedes it.
Okay, we can get the common ratio by dividing the term by any term in the sequence that precedes it. So 12 divided by 3
Was 4.
So what is our common ratio?
4.
Okay, that is how we can get the common ratio by dividing the term to its preceding term. Okay, now 48 divided by 12.
4.
Okay, 192 divided by 48.
4.
768 divided by 192.
4.
What is our common ratio?
4.
Okay, thus in the geometric sequence 3, 12, 48, 192, and 768, the common ratio is
4.
You can also use this formula to solve for n terms. So our formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1, where our a1 is first term, r is ratio, and number of terms. So what is a1?
First term.
R
Ratio.
or common ratio, and
Number of terms.
okay, for our example, kindly read, everyone.
What is the term of a geometric sequence? 3, 12, 48, 192, 768.
So we will going to find the 10th term using this formula. So okay, using this formula, n is
Number of terms.
okay. Since we are going to find the 10th term, so we will going to write a sub 10 is equal to what is our first term? What is our first term in this sequence?
3.
Okay, 3. A1 is our first term. What is our common ratio in this sequence?
4.
Okay, so R is 4. What is the number of terms? Since we are going to find the 10th term, our number of terms is 10. So 10 minus 1. Okay. 4. 10 minus 1.
9.
So 3. Okay, so 4 raised to the power of 9. What is the answer? Okay, Miss Yuhoy.
162,144.
And 144.
44.
Okay, then we will going to multiply this to 3. So 3 times 162,144 is, okay, I'll give you 1 minute to solve.
7,806.
Okay, Miss Yuhoy, what is the answer? 3 times 262,144.
786, 40,
432. Next. So another example. In the geometric sequence,
1, 2, 4, 8, 16.
what do you think is the common ratio?
2.
2. Okay, how can you get 2? Okay, Miss Yuho, can you stand? How can you get 2?
By dividing 2 to 1 and 4 to 2, 8 to 4, 16 to 8.
Very good. 2 is common ratio. This we can get 2 by dividing the second term to the first term, the third term to the second term, fourth term to the third term, and so on. Now, in this sequence, I want you to find the 8th term. Okay, who wants to answer? Anyone? Okay, Miss Maya. What is the 8th term?
The 8 terms is 128.
Very good. The 8th term is 128. So, here, since we are going to find the 8th term, so enter the number of terms is 8 is equal to 1. 1 is our first term. Then 2 is our
second term.
no.
Our common ratio.
Very good. It is our common ratio. Next is n 8 minus 1. 8 is our number of terms. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 2 raised to the power of 7 is equals to 128. Then we will going to multiply 101 to 128. The answer is
128.
okay, so our 8th term in this sequence is
128.
our 8th term in this sequence is
128.
okay, very good. Now we will going to find the 7th term. I will give you 2 minutes to answer in your own.
Few moments later.
To answer, Mr. Lizardo.
7 thirds is 64.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Very good. So our 7th term is
64.
how can we get 64? Using the formula. So n is since we're going to find the 7th term, so number of terms is 7 is equal to our first term which is 1, our common ratio which is
2.
then our number of terms which is
7.
minus 1. So 7 minus 1.
6.
Okay, so 2 raised to the power of 6 is
64.
multiply to 1.
64.
So our 7th term is 64. Are we clear?
We are here.
Okay, very good. So any question?
None.
Violent reaction?
None.
Okay, if there's none, let's proceed to our next activity. So this is our rubrics in this activity. Can you read? Accuracy 5%, time frame 5%, operation 5%, a total of 15%. So, since you already know how to solve for the nth term of a geometric sequence, let's have a group activity. Same group, group 1 and group 2. Each group will be given 2 problems, and I will just going to give you 15 minutes to answer that. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's start our activity. Here, group 1, group 2.
15 minutes later.
Okay, time is up. Time is up. Kindly pass your paper. Okay. So, next is get 1/2 sheet of paper. Let's have a short quiz. Can you read our instruction?
Find a minimum term in each geometric sequence.
Okay, so I'll just give you 15 minutes to answer the quiz. Okay, hurry up. Time starts now.
15 minutes later.
Okay, time's up. Pass your paper forward. 1, 2, us next meeting. Are we clear? Okay, let's call it a day. Goodbye, grade 10 students.
Goodbye.